As we continue our journey, the Parker Dam now behind us, we follow the Colorado River as it winds its way toward Parker, Arizona. The contrast between the rugged desert terrain on our right and the calm, shimmering river below is simply breathtaking. The Colorado River, a lifeline through this arid landscape, reflects the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing dance of light and water. Flying along this river, you can't help but appreciate the blend of nature's beauty and human engineering that makes this region so unique. As we divert slightly to the left, we soar over rugged terrain, with jagged rock formations stretching as far as the eye can see. These views are a constant reminder of the vast and untamed beauty of the Arizona desert. It's in moments like these, surrounded by nature's wonders, that I'm most grateful for the freedom my automated digital business provides. This lifestyle allows me to explore, experience, and share these adventures with you, while my business continues to generate income in the background. If you're inspired by these breathtaking scenes and want to learn more about how to achieve this kind of freedom, be sure to check out the link in the description. You can also call the 24/7 audio number displayed on the screen to hear more about my digital business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible adventures.